Well, there it is. Just got it about a week ago. 1997 Toyota Celica GT with the original Turquoise Pearl Metallic. When I got this car, it was very dirty. It's been sitting in the sun for many years. It only has 68,000 miles on it, and I got it for $500. It's never been in an accident or a fender bender. You can see how straight it is. It doesn't have an ounce of Bondo on it. This is the north side of it that didn't get any sun. This car sat in the same direction for many years. That's why this side didn't get too much sun, and it actually still looks pretty good. It's got the original aluminum alloy wheels, but they're pretty badly corroded. It's got the original sunroof, which still works. It's got the motorized antenna, which also still works. Here's the south side. This is the side that got beat up pretty bad by the sun. The clear coat's mostly totally destroyed, and really bad paint fade. Again, there's more corrosion on these wheels, but this side's not as bad. These tires still have good tread life, but they're 16 years old, so I got to replace them before I do any major driving. The interior is good on these. There's no rips in the seats. It's just a little bit of fading on the driver's side from the sun. And this is the best part right here, the 68,183 original miles. It's got the original cassette player, radio still works, interior is really clean, the carpet and all the plastic panels, the dash is good, even the back seat is still good. Headliner's really clean. It was really dirty, but it's clean on the inside. Let's check out the engine. And there it is, original Toyota 4-cylinder 2.2 liter 5S FE motor. Some corrosion on the valve cover and the heat shield, but other than that, it's not in bad shape. It's all original. It still has the original timing belt and water pump. He never serviced that. He just didn't drive it very much, and it still runs and started, so he never did anything with it. This area was really dirty, full of spiders. In fact, there's some right there. Still cleaning out spiders and spider webs out of this car. The radiator, that's the original radiator, original alternator, but it runs really good. It runs better than it looks. So that's it. 97 Toyota Celica GT, 68,000 miles, $500. Probably gonna keep it, paint it, and put tires on it. Thanks for watching.